Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M8 versus Urus. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, from raw power to everyday usability, helping you understand which high-performance machine best suits your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these automotive titans, exploring what makes each vehicle a standout in its segment. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles are exceptional. The BMW M8 competition, with its twin-turbo V8, delivers 617 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus Performante, also featuring a twin-turbo V8, produces 657 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Both utilize advanced all-wheel drive systems and 8-speed automatic transmissions for optimal performance. Beyond speed, these vehicles offer distinct luxury and practicality. The BMW M8, available as a coupe or grand coupe, provides a driver-focused opulent cabin with high-end finishes. It offers around 14.8 cubic feet of cargo space. The Lamborghini Urus, a super SUV, excels in versatility, comfortably seating 5 passengers and boasting a more generous 21.75 cubic feet of cargo volume, making it surprisingly practical for daily use. Considering value, the BMW M8 typically starts around $140,975, providing incredible performance for its price point. The Lamborghini Urus, with its SUV form factor and exotic branding, commands a higher starting price of approximately $241,843. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a traditional grand tourer or a high-performance SUV. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.